What if I told you that India just landed a $100 billion deal? Not with the EU or US, but with four small but powerful European economies you probably didn't even notice on the map. India's big trade move is finally rolling out. Starting September 2025, India's free trade agreement with EFTA, that's Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, and Liechtenstein, will officially take off. And it's not just about chocolates and watches, it's about jobs, exports, and billions in investment. EFTA stands for European Free Trade Association. These are four non EU nations, rich, high tech, and heavily invested in global trade. The TEPA, or Trade and Economic Partnership Agreement, was signed in March 2024, and after approvals and referendums, it goes live in September 2025. Here's what it includes: zero tariffs on 85% of EFTA goods entering India. 99% Indian exports, including rice, will now enter EFTA duty free. A $100 billion FDI commitment from EFTA over 15 years, and potential to generate 1 million jobs in India. Not everything is on the table. India has protected its dairy and sensitive agri products. No worries for farmers and milk producers. This deal isn't just trade, it's strategy. It brings European investments, opens market for Indian pharma, tech and textiles, and shows India is serious about becoming a global supply chain hub. And guess what? This is just the warm up. Talks with the EU are speeding up too. Right now, Switzerland is wrapping up its final objection period, entering on July 10, 2025. Once that clears, the countdown to September begins. So, while the world watches China or the US, India is building quiet but powerful bridges, and EFTA is just the beginning. Would you like to see what other trade deals India is working on? Drop in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives on India's economic rise.